Whenever Leonardo needs to think, there's always a certain indispensable man around to do it for him. And here he comes now.
I'm Odie O Cologne. I'm the valet to the king. And this is no baloney. For my king I do anything. When duty calls, why I hearken to the fray. Oh, yea, and verily, I'd die or I'd fry. You can bet anything that I'd give my last cent for my good king. Ah, if I were king, what glories I would bring to my country. However, I'm doing the very next best thing. Being first in the heart of my king and serving him nobly, it's exceedingly difficult, keeping Biggie at bay, but at bay he'll stay. For I'm Odie O Cologne. I'm a very proper skunk. I'm Odie O Cologne. I'm small, but I'm full of spunk. I'm full of pride, and I'd take a ride in Biggie's car just to quell the tide. For country and king, I'd do most anything, as you know, to save Leonardo.